Good morning, this is Scooter Pops. A lot of you have asked, what do I do before I take a long ride? I thought I'd show you exactly what I do. So, we're going to start with the 2-egg breakfast in a burrito style, and I'm going to share with you my secret ingredients. First and foremost, what I use is olive oil. You can see my olive oil here. I coat the pan with olive oil. We'll start there. A little bit of olive oil in the pan. There we go. Wait till the pan heats up. And then, of course, I'll put in my 2 large eggs. And I'll add the cheese. The ham, of course. And you've got to have salt and pepper. So we'll get ready for that. Oh. Well, that apparently didn't work out very well. Well, maybe it's time for a little safety as we taught in the last couple of videos. Hang on one moment. All right. Woo, I feel much better now. Well, we're still waiting for the olive oil to heat up. The coffee is cooking over there, which I'm excited about. And before I leave, I take the 3 S's. And I make sure I have my water bottle filled up. I have cash on me. It's always important to take some cash anyway, just in case. I'll bring granola bars. I'll bring my hat. I'll bring my helmet. And make sure that I have everything ready and fill the belly of that BMW C650. So, you have a good day, and we'll chat soon.
Well, I was hoping I didn't have to put my feet down and just kind of creep along, but people got a slow start from this green light. It's the residual traffic from the marketplace. The survey crew ahead, I don't think they want me to stop to take a survey. Such an enjoyable ride. All this land is going to be developed. Well, we are now leaving Queen Creek. So we made it to the Casa Grande ruins. It is run by the National Park Service, and it's a really cool place. A lot of history here, and you'll learn a little bit more about it in just a couple of minutes. So stay with me, okay? Fuchs was the first to actually begin excavation here in Casa Grande. He wanted to make this a national monument, and he actually excavated between 1906 and 1908. So he was the first to begin excavation here. This is the self-guided tour of the ruins. I've been here before, and just beautiful. So as you can see here, it says about 4,100 years ago, people in southern Arizona began to grow corn. Over time, more and more crops were introduced by trade. People became more settled and lived in the same place for longer periods of time. And they built earthen homes called pit houses and began to dig canals to water the fields. So these are some of the ruins that we see today. And more of these plazas all around here. And there's the big house, the Casa Grande, built over 700 years ago of calcium carbonate. You can see why that structure lasts so long. It's where a lot of the Hohokam Native Americans and those people who actually farmed this area lived. Family shared rooms. There was a lot of water here. So cotton was plentiful, squash, pumpkin, citrus, a lot of different types of things that were grown here because the Sonoran Desert gets to be pretty hot. In the summer, it can average about 120 degrees with maybe only about 9 inches of rainfall. So in this area, they built canals to bring the water to take care of the fields. You can see the enormity of this area. See if we get a picture inside here a little bit better. This is one of the inside rooms or walls. This Casa Grande house was built over 700 years ago. Pretty impressive. kind of a close-up of the structure and the calcium and the carbonate that you see in here. We can raise that up high enough so you can see a little bit inside.